pasta has been cooked and is ready to be cooled off. I'm going to add the pasta to this Pyrex mixing bowl. For those who have seen a video yesterday, it will look familiar to you. If you haven't seen the video, I will put the video right here for you to check it out. Now let's add in the pasta and let it cool off, and let's cook the sauce. And now I have added it into the pasta. I am stirring it together. It looks really delicious. I can't wait to dig into it. Now, if you do have leftovers, sometimes we do have leftovers from dinner, you can always put the top over it and put it into the refrigerator.